Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today we're going to show you how to remove banners from your Instagram profile, step by step. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. Step 1. First, open Instagram on your device and head straight to your profile. You'll see your feed and other options there. Step 2. Next, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. This will give you some options for posting different types of content. Step 3. From the available options, choose Live. This will take you to the live video settings. Step 4. Now click on the schedule icon, which will allow you to schedule your live video in advance. Step 5. Once you're in the scheduling page, tap on the 3 dots next to the scheduled live video. This will bring up more options. Step 6. From those options, select Edit. This will open the settings where you can make changes to your scheduled live video. Step 7. Now choose Cancel Live Video. Don't worry, we're not going live, so this won't actually go live on your profile. Step 8. Confirm your action by clicking OK. This will cancel your scheduled live video. Step 9. The banner will be removed from your Instagram profile. You're all done, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.